Week 11 involves using the what if analysis tools, and you will start with some of the more basic tools as you work through Module 11. They do define what if analysis is, but basically it's making changes to data in your spreadsheet and seeing what happens. Okay, so how that affects the numbers. And you're going to start with Scenario Manager, which is a very popular what if analysis tool. It basically lets you create multiple scenarios and then you can see what happens to the results. Along with this Scenario Manager, there is a feature called Scenario Summary, which you will also be using. And it basically creates a little table and shows you the results from your different scenarios. So you'll be using both of those right away. Then you are going to use data tables to do what if analysis. And data tables are kind of neat because a lot of the values are going to be generated for you. And you can change a percentage or a different value, and you can see how the results affect everything in the table. So you are going to be using those for what if analysis as well. You'll be using a feature called Goal Seek, where you can basically indicate what you want the end result to be and which cell they should change in order to get to that result. And then you are going to be using some more advanced Excel tools. These tools are not on the ribbon by default. They are add-ins. And one of them is called Solver, and the other one is called the Data Analysis Toolpak. And I did include a little video, a link to a YouTube video that actually shows you what you need to do to get those into your version of Excel. And it also shows you how to use the Data Analysis Toolpak. The Data Analysis Toolpak is incredibly powerful. It does basic statistics to extremely advanced statistics. The video I selected down here walks you through doing some basic statistics, and so does the chapter in the book. Okay. Solver is another way of doing what if analysis. It basically looks for the best solution to a problem and using several different inputs. So you will learn how to use both of those tools. So first step here is to go through Module 11. And I recommend downloading the files because then you can actually work through the activities. And with some of these advanced features, the only way you're really going to learn them is by doing them. So that would be your first step. Then if there's anything that you are a little fuzzy on, I did include videos on all of these topics, and you can certainly click on those, and they're all YouTube videos that you can watch. Then you'll notice there is no discussion this week, and you will complete the training and the testing and the quiz. Okay, then as always, we do have an extra credit project, which I highly recommend that you do because that is really good practice and you actually manipulate files by downloading them, which I think is kind of important. Okay, so that is everything that we have for this week.